Creating a Gmail account often requires phone verification, raising privacy concerns. If you're worried about spam or data mining, using your personal phone number isn't ideal. MobileSMS.io offers a solution. Create a Gmail account without using your personal phone number by using non-VoIP numbers. Google requires phone verification to reduce spam and prevent fraud. Linking your number to online services can expose you to spam or privacy breaches. Non-VoIP numbers are real mobile numbers, unlike VoIP numbers that many platforms block. Gmail often rejects VoIP numbers due to security concerns, making non-VoIP numbers from MobileSMS.io an optimal choice. These numbers ensure a seamless verification process. Step 1. Visit MobileSMS.io and create an account. Step 2. Top up your account. Step 3. Select a temporary non-VoIP number for Gmail verification. Step 4. Enter the temporary number into Gmail's phone verification field. Step 5. Check your MobileSMS.io dashboard for the verification code and enter it into Gmail. For regular verification needs, consider a long-term rental from MobileSMS.io. With MobileSMS.io, creating a Gmail account without a phone number is straightforward and secure. Start safeguarding your digital privacy today by using MobileSMS.io's reliable non-VoIP numbers. Ready to get started? Sign up now to secure your Gmail account.